Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Got a really nice one from our AI guys, WLY. You can see the alert. This is to short, okay? The alert was at 33.48, but what I want to draw your attention to is that's the 15-minute candle in which the alert happened. Look what happened afterwards, okay? Next 15-minute candle, a little bit above. Next 15-minute candle popped above, came back down. The next 15-minute candle came. That's about an hour, okay? That's about an hour. People, when they use our AI, they think, oh my gosh, I've missed it. If I don't get in right at the penny, I guess I may as well not take the trade. A lot of times you can kind of wait and you don't have to necessarily madly rush in to take the trade. And I'm not saying they're all going to look like this to give you almost an hour before you make a decision. But one of the things I loved about this is an earnings play, so it got hit hard on earnings. This is also an all-time low, one of my favorite setups. A stock that is making an all-time low on some news. Usually it could be earnings, but it could be some devastating news. But, just want to point out the fact that there's no mad rush to take these trades sometimes, okay? You can bide your time, see how it sets up, and then you can take the trade. All right, everybody, I want to get back into our trading room. Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.